How to sign up for Olymp Trade. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can sign up for Olymp Trade. If you are new to Olymp Trade and want to start trading safely, then signing up is the first step to access the platform. First of all, open the Olymp Trade application on your device, and once you come across this welcome screen, click on Get Started. Go through a quick tutorial and it will show you how you can easily use the platform. Once you are done with it, you'll see this sign up button, tap on it, and in the registration page on the next page, you'll need to enter a valid email address you want to sign up with. You can also continue signing up with Apple account, Facebook, or Google. I'm just going to go ahead and enter a valid email since I want to register with email address. After typing down a valid email, head over to the next field and create a password for your account. Your password must be at least 4 characters long and it can consist of letters, numbers, and symbols. Finally, click on register, and on the next page you will be able to see that you are in the home page or the terminal page of the app. And there you have it. That is how you can easily do it. You have successfully signed up for Olymp Trade and now you can explore the platform safely. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.